agony, the pain is there. It's there. You hesitate all the time. What should you do? Because we know that if you don't speak up, the millions of people who are in the same situation as us, their voices would be silenced. So we are the only people who would speak up for them. You know, as a man, it's very tough to shed tears. And there's no days in the evenings. I think of my brothers. You cry. When I look at my son, I see my youngest brother in him. I know millions of Uyghurs are crying at this moment. We live with this pain, this agony, but we cannot stop. They should know this message. They can make Uyghur people cry, but they cannot stop us. This is the message.